welcome back to the CoveyChase Farm Blog. I appreciate you being here. This morning we are on day 2 of buying our feeder calves for 2022. Hoping to pick up about 8 today. I picked up 8 on Monday. That would give me 16 of the 50 I'm trying to get. Take it along. Alright, well, the buying part's done. It took about 4.5 hours to buy 8 bulls. Prices are pretty high, but I stayed under my budget, and I think I'm gonna like what I got. While we're waiting to load out, let's go look and see what it looks like back in the corral area of the stockyard. Made it home. So, up. All right, good morning. It's now Thursday morning. Right after we brought those second 8 feeder cattle in last night. I'm going to check them this morning and see how they're doing. So right now I have 16 of the 50 calves bought. They average right at 625 pounds. They're all black or black and white face. Right now they all look they're doing good. I'll walk through them several times during the day, and what I'm looking for are any calves that might have their head down or that might be sitting down. Any one that's coughing, that just generally does not look like they're feeling good. If you think about it, they've just been hauled to a sale barn. They've been bought, they've been pushed through the corrals, they've been hauled back to another place. Several of them have been weaned off their mom for a while. Others were weaned when they got brought to the sale barn. So they're really at a position in their life where they could be very stressed out and could get sick rather easily. Hopefully I've put them in the best conditions right now for them to do well. And if you look at them, they're looking really good. What I really like to see when I first got up here, they were all either eating or on the hay bale, or they were drinking water, which is a really good sign. Coffee cup down. Wind 1, coffee cup 0. In quite a few of the prior vlogs, I've talked a bit about the high tensile wire rotational grazing several of the projects. We're cleaning out fence rows, setting up high tensile wire. Let me show you. Here is a reel. This is a poly wire reel, and the wire is basically plastic with metal threads run through it. It's very portable. I reel it up, but what I have right now is I have it in the corral right along the fence row, and the purpose of it is simply to train these calves to that wire. I want them, before I put them out in the field and start rotationally grazing them, I want them to know that that wire is hot. Let me try to get out of this wind here and explain a little bit more about these feeder calves that I bought. Like I said, my goal is to accumulate 50 over the next few weeks. Think about it this way. There's essentially 3 phases to raising cattle. You have the mama cows and the farmers that raise the mama cows that have calves. Then you have, on the other side of the spectrum, you have feedlots that feed them out on grain in a smaller area up to slaughter weight, and then they'll sell them off to the packers. These feeder calves, I'm kind of playing right in the middle ground. So what I'm doing is I'm buying them about 625 pounds on average, and I'm going to raise them over the next 10 months solely on grass, rotating them around. They should put on 1.5 to 2.5 pounds per day, and by the time I get to October, November, they will have gone from 625 pounds to about 900 pounds. I will then sell the full lot of 50 calves back through the market, where they will then go out to a feedlot. I greatly appreciate everyone watching the CoveyChase Farm channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Also, check out the website at www.coveychasefarm.com. Everyone have a great week.